CNSP Stock Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. I'm looking at CNS Pharmaceuticals stock. It is 36% down. Yeah, fell down quite hard. And I've talked about this plenty. Context, I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, called thousands of correct predictions on my YouTube channel for free. And even with CNSP, if you watch my previous video, you will see that I was correct on this. Not that I just, took the short, is that pre-market was exactly there. That's my most recent prediction on CNSP, which was 20 hours ago, uploaded on 18th of February. And guess what my prediction looked like, bro? Like, obviously I was looking to take things down. The market was still open at the time, and guess what happened? We came here. Not that I have like this witch powers or wizard powers. The only real thing is that it's just discretion and just a lot of repetition, right? And just understanding the market bias. Yeah, genuinely looking to just clear all the liquidity. We made all-time lows, and I'm looking for this to kind of keep going, at least for right now and not forever. But if you want to make more money trading in a simple yellow way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.